Makabagong San Juan, the newest team in our junior MPBL. They will begin this game with Galanotan, Locsin, Javier, Vibar, and Guerzon.
Dito sa ating 14 and under division.
Reliora scoring an early basket.
Defensive sequence.
De La Cruz aatake. Missing on that layup. Gets another opportunity. Passes it off to Teok, to the delight of this Rizal crowd.
Concern para dito sa San Juan, no? They have bigger guys, athletic guys, pero kailangan makuha nila. And itong Rizal ngayon looking very good at the start of this game.
And they are really putting a lot of pressure to the backcourt here of Makabagong San Juan. And the bank is open this Saturday. Guerzon able
sa San Juan, no? They're trying to solve that 1-3-1 zone in no better way than to shoot a three-pointer.
Another second opportunity para sa Rizal, and Tendilla able to get. Iba rin siguro talaga yung gana, Melo, pag home court. Yung sa outside of their coach Ferdinand para sa San Juan. Atake muli, sidestepping his way through and gets that floater up and in para kay Reliora. So this is a guy para dito
kay Reliora. Mapapansin din natin, no, yung itinaas yung skill level ng mga players natin here in the 14 under division.
Another three-pointer naman para sa San Juan. Mukhang yan naman ang weapon of choice para sa
court pressure nung panahon ni Renren.
Ahead to De La Cruz. That's a layup to go. Still 5 and 52 remaining.
Depensa ng Rizal, no? They're forcing San Juan to take hurried shots.
Tendilla this time attacks the lane. Make it a 9-point lead now. Fifth player of LaSalle. Calling the shots for the 14 under team. Tignan mo naman yung bilis nun. All the way to the cup. That was Abukot. Alam mo naman ang fiber, Melo. Mabilis talaga yan.
Oo.
Short stab inside. Ayaw. And look at Ramos. Talaga napakasipag. Getting another offensive rebound.
Para sa kanila.
San Juan showing some life. Lazard off the glass once again. Favorite nila yung tira na yan, Melo. Pangalawa na yan. Kasado yata nila yung board dito sa Antipolo Sports Hub.
For as long as it goes in. Pero ang masakit, a quick response para sa Rizal. Transition defense has been
converting on this pound-for-pound fitness and one move.
Gagawin. It has become a common move para sa ating mga players.
Abukot with a steal and a bucket.
And Abukot creating huge impact here in this. Just telling him, may tira ka na eh.
Masyadong unselfish. Nice, excellently executed baseline play. Pulling up from the free throw stripe, gets that basket to go. Hamdan Rasul will finish off this quarter. Another fast break opportunity dito for the guys in white. Pabustan, sidestep once again, finger roll. All over the place.
Hindi na kailangan tumalon that time, and what a great pass and an even better finish for Rizal.
That lead pass, touchdown. Malaking depensa, able to hit on 3 3-pointers in that first quarter. But here in the second, outside shooting has been absent para sa Mighty Warriors as De La Cruz all alone on the other end. Add 2 more. So looking for a basket dito sa ating second quarter. They swing it. Wide open. Another 3-pointer off the glass courtesy of John Leonard Dadea. If they would be able to get that pressure in, take another look at that 3-pointer. Nilinis pa.
Oo, ball. Makikita mo yung pure passion in diving for those loose balls. Talagang di bumibigay.
De La Cruz against 2 defenders.
Body strength itong si De La Cruz.
Ikot ng San Juan. Nice fake. Gets it off the glass. That is Alexander Dahak. Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. So look at some highlights in the first quarters of action. And tinakbuhan nga nitong Rizal, Melo, ang San Juan. Really piling up on those fast break points. Kung saan nakaka-16 na sila. Just 2 against 2 of San Juan. Really piling it up. Was able to hit one during the first half. On the other end, really picking up where they left off in the first half. Another basket here para sa Rizal. That's what the game's live. Meanwhile, Angeles gets another fast break layup para sa Rizal switch fiber. Earlier instance din, Melo, na pwede na niya sanang itira. but still looking to involve his teammates. Nice basket inside, converted by yung 3-pointers nga nila. Hasn't been their friend after that first quarter. Angeles will try from outside. Clean as a whistle.
Nothing but the bottom of the net para dito kay Angeles after scoring.
Just the first 3-pointer para sa Rizal. Babawi ba? Masyadong malakas naman. That time for Locsin. Another try. This time, that will go para kay Galanotan. Euro.
Yeah, Galanotan showing us that he has that nice stroke.
Baling it inside of that feed para from Angeles.
Yung talaga position defense. It has been easy for Rizal to attack. Pero ngayon maganda dito. They were able to connect another jumper.
They will run it. Reliora to the other side for the finish. Meanwhile, let's go to great defense once again from San Juan. Ahead of the pack. Hinabol but still able to convert was John Leonard Dadea.
Take a look at this. What a shot mula dito kay Dadea. Challenged by 2 white shirts.
Yun naman, no? Poster kung sa poster. No, it
Oh.
was just a... We'll try once again, but drops it off to Ramos against Teyok. PP hit. That time, able to manufacture a couple of points.
And it was
Tendilla able to recover that basketball. Attacks the lane. Kick it out. Jumper. Masyadong malakas. Teyok, another rebound. Look at him operate inside. Alam niyang walang makakaabot ng bola na yun.
one of the few times that San Juan was able to get the ball in the post but answered quickly by a 3-pointer. Itong pareho natin kumpunan nga. Picking up the pace of the game, especially itong San Juan. This is a better...
And Rasul, a bit of miscommunication. But you like that they kind of acknowledged it.
Oo. Yun naman yung importante. This is a...
And definitely, itong isang larong to cannot really, spell your whole
eating for the opponent to make an error.
the biggest lead para sa Rizal in this game at 26. Make that 28 after that basket coming from Daryl Jan de la Cruz. He gets a basketball on the block. Has that size mismatch. Just right on cue, Melo. Hindi naman ako pinaya.
Yung tinatawag na,
Centeno. Gets to the middle. Drops it off. Ganda ng mga dime doon.
And Abukod able to efficient here in this game.
Centeno will try once again. Short. Takbo dito is the other De La Cruz. Short. Sagot naman siya ni Daryl Jan De La Cruz.
And it has been a De La Cruz.
Ramos saves it to the wrong shirt. Ahead to De La Cruz. Another couple of points. Riley Yuan De La Cruz now with 17.
They've proven time and again here in this game that they can make stops. Problema lang medyo they're gonna be able to address that problem in transition and set up their half-court defense. This is going to be a scary team.
Sabi mo nga, this could have been a different ball game altogether as we see Abukot with Adukot. Immediately after would be the 16 under matchup. San Juan and Rizal. Followed by the 18 under matchup. Dahil 14, 16, and 18. Makabagong San Juan.
Well, yung mga ganyang experiences, and kumbaga sabi nga, tuwing nasusugatan, lalong tatapang yan. He will be able to...
Ocampo through traffic won't work, but Balahadya there to clean it up. Talaga nang itong Rizal really showing a lot of weapons in this.
That's a good problem if you're Coach Ruel Benaventura.
Sabi mo nga, Melo, di ba? Parang dito yung point na medyo inahe. It will be a great morning if you're a Rizal fan.